Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious salsa de aceite. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You will need about 10 to 15 dried chilies, like chili de arbol or guajillo, for that perfect kick. Also, have 4 to 5 cloves of fresh garlic ready. A good quality neutral oil, such as canola or vegetable oil, will be essential for infusing all these wonderful flavors together. This easy guide will help you create a versatile and flavorful salsa. Now, let's bring out the deep flavors of our chilies. Gently toast your dried chilies in a dry skillet over medium heat for about 2 to 3 minutes. Keep them moving to prevent burning, which can make your salsa taste bitter. You'll notice them becoming fragrant and slightly pliable. At the same time, roast your peeled garlic cloves until they are aromatic and just beginning to soften. This step is crucial for developing a rich, smoky base for your salsa. Next, we'll combine our roasted ingredients with the oil. Transfer the toasted chilies and roasted garlic into your blender or food processor. Now, heat about 1 cup of your chosen neutral oil in a small saucepan. You want it shimmering, but definitely not smoking. Carefully pour this hot oil directly over the chilies and garlic in the blender. Blend everything until you achieve a smooth, vibrant salsa. The hot oil helps to further infuse the flavors and create that signature texture. Finally, let's perfect the taste and prepare for serving. Season your salsa with about 1/2 teaspoon of salt, tasting and adjusting as needed to suit your preference. If you find the heat too intense, a small pinch of sugar can help balance the flavors beautifully. This versatile salsa is fantastic with tacos, eggs, or as a dip. Store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh for up to 2 weeks. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.